Outdoor kitchens are no longer just an extra space. They are becoming the heart of entertaining and relaxation at home. In 2026, covered outdoor kitchens are trending for their style, functionality, and luxury, allowing you to cook, dine, and socialize no matter the weather. Today, we'll explore 26 incredible outdoor kitchen ideas that will inspire you to create a stunning, modern, and practical outdoor cooking space. Open concept outdoor kitchens. Open outdoor kitchens continue to dominate in 2026. These designs blend seamlessly with patios and gardens, creating an airy, inviting space for cooking and entertaining. Large countertops, islands, and bar seating encourage social interaction, making your outdoor area the perfect hub for family and guests. Covered kitchens with pergolas or roofs. Covered outdoor kitchens are a game changer. Whether it's a pergola, retractable roof, or full patio covering, these designs protect your kitchen from rain and sun while maintaining an open, airy feel. In 2026, combining cover with stylish lighting and ceiling fans ensures comfort and luxury year-round. Modular and built-in units. Modern outdoor kitchens in 2026 focus on modular, built-in cabinets and storage units. Integrated sinks, grills, and prep areas maximize functionality while keeping the design sleek. Customizable layouts allow you to adapt the space to your lifestyle without compromising aesthetics. Countertops and material choices. Durable, weather-resistant materials are essential. Quartz, granite, stainless steel, and treated wood are trending in 2026 for their elegance and resilience. Countertops should be both stylish and functional, providing plenty of prep space and easy maintenance for outdoor cooking. Smart grills and appliances. Outdoor kitchens are embracing technology. Built-in grills, pizza ovens, smokers, and even smart appliances are trending in 2026. These modern features make outdoor cooking efficient, fun, and versatile, allowing you to prepare meals as easily as in your indoor kitchen. Bar and dining areas. In 2026, outdoor kitchens often include integrated bars, islands with seating, or dining zones. These setups create a social hub, perfect for gatherings or family meals. Coordinated furniture, stylish stools, and accent lighting enhance both comfort and style. Lighting and ambience. Layered lighting is essential for outdoor kitchens. Pendant lights, recessed lighting, LED strips, and accent fixtures create a warm, inviting ambience for evening gatherings. In 2026, lighting also highlights textures, countertops, and architectural elements, making the space look luxurious and cozy. Natural and green elements. Blending outdoor kitchens with gardens, planters, and greenery is a top trend in 2026. Vertical herb gardens, potted plants, and integrated landscaping add freshness, color, and a natural vibe to the cooking space, making it feel like a seamless extension of your home. Outdoor entertainment features. Modern outdoor kitchens go beyond cooking. They integrate entertainment zones with TVs, speakers, and fire pits. In 2026, creating a multifunctional space ensures your patio becomes a luxurious hub for relaxation, dining, and socializing. Outdoor kitchens in 2026 combine style, functionality, and luxury, transforming patios and gardens into modern entertaining spaces. From covered kitchens and modular units to smart appliances and ambient lighting, these trends create spaces that are practical, stylish, and unforgettable. For premium outdoor kitchen ideas, covered kitchen solutions, and modern home interiors for 2026, visit RugDubai.ae, your trusted source for luxury home interiors and contemporary outdoor design. Elevate your outdoor living with RugDubai and make your backyard a stylish, functional, and modern haven.